This is my sister's drawings. She is so good at drawing. I'm going to show you another one. Another one of my sister's drawings. Guys, isn't she a great drawer? My little sister's drawing. I mean, she does good, right? She does horrible. This is the one I wanted to show you guys. Don't know what I was thinking. Me and my sister drew this. Me and my sister drew this. Again, my little cousins. Why would he do that? My little sisters. Let's see if we can draw. Let's get to work. Yeah. You see all that stuff in there? Ooh, yeah, I know you do. You don't see it? Okay. Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. Okay, so I was wondering if you could draw. So let's try to draw better than I did last time. Alright. Let's show you the head. So we're gonna start. Alright. Let's go. Oh my god. I did so good, but I messed up right there. And I have to do it again! Oh my god, the neck just applies it all. We're gonna draw these little things. I'm gonna draw a girl in a skirt, so don't worry. This right here gives it all. For real, the skirt built different. It's built like a shoe. I mean, I did good with the legs, but not this one. But not that one. You know what? Did I already show? But if I didn't show, or if I did show, you're gonna have to see it another time. She gonna be doing this. And that's how old I am. In the comments, old enough to do poses and have a YouTube channel. Smexy pose you got there. Hey, Cyclops. I'm gonna die. This is not okay. Well, guys, you guessed it. It's the end of the video.